Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So yesterday we just create static routing. So static routing is good for the small network like this, but if you have a bigger network, you can use dynamic routing. So dynamic routing is the router sets the route for network, so the router sets by itself. So as a router is more easy to configure. So first I will remove the I will remove the IP first from this router. Sorry. Yes. Okay. So now I remove the static routing with command no IP route. After that, you can do the same thing into the second router, no IP route. No IP. Okay, now this PC cannot ping to this PC because there is no route. Let's try it. See, fail, all failed. So now we will make the dynamic routing that is OSPF. So to configure OSPF is from the open shorted path first. So this will search for the fastest path. So first we can type router OSPF, and after this we can type the process ID. Process ID is process ID for the OSPFs it will be running. So to make easy, I will configure process ID 1, and after that you can enter the configuration of OSPF. So first here you can see, first we can type the network that we have. So this should have the network that is 10 and network 20 and network 10. So we can type network 10 dot 0 and network dot plus. That we can set the area. So for default and make easy, I will set the area 0 for this router. After that, you can type again for the network 10 for the PC 192.168.10.0, and the started mask I will change into SAS24. And after that, after we configure in this router, we will configure in the second router with the same command, routing router OSPF 1, and then configure network that this router have is 10.10.10.0, and the submask is SAS32, and then we can add the area that is area 0. After that we can add again Okay, so now we can see here OSPF change process 1 from the neighbor 10.1. So this message means the OSPF is successful connect with the first router. So we can do the same thing again. That is, we can change the subnet into sys34 and then add the IP address for the client side 192.168.20.0. After that, we can wait a little. After that, we can retry to pin from the PC. You can see it's now success. So OSPF is more more easy to configure than certificating. So if you have a big network, you can just use OSPF or another thing that is more easier. So the thing is maybe you can configure it on the server side and OSPF you can use on the client side. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for listening and watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.